I'm Zachary Toller, Republican candidate for governor of Ohio. December 24th, Auglaize Deputy Borgert threatened to raid my house and steal my property. Judge Frederick Pepple ordered it, claiming supremacy over federal court. Here's what they don't want you to know about my home on Lynn Street. 9 years ago, my parents proposed financing a home for me. I spent 4 years rebuilding it before moving in. I paid everything: mortgage, insurance, property tax, for 9 years. The agreement? $50,000, 15-year loan, title transfer when my credit improved. That transfer was never going to happen, because then I couldn't unknowingly launder money for my parents, the bank, or the county court. My mother messages, find a new place to live. I file for unjust enrichment, injunction, and title transfer. My parents abandoned the home years ago, left me financing reconstructions the loan was supposed to cover. I stopped paying bills in their name. That would be defrauding myself. I stopped unjustly enriching them and asked for receipts. Then everything became visibly criminal. Harassment from family, strangers, unknown numbers. I filed civil stalking protection order. Someone showed up talking drugs and prostitutes in front of my daughter. After following me to Lowe's and delaying my purchase for 45 minutes, Judge Pepple denies the protection order. No hearing, no due process. August, I filed domestic violence protection order against my mother. Active civil case, won't stop interfering. Magistrate Spees denies it. No hearing, due process violated. Magistrates are appointed by judges. September, I discover my mother's attorney is also Auglai's assistant prosecutor. Unlisted or listed differently on the county website, no photo. I file federal complaint against Pepple and Auglaize County. Pepple issues a continuance, the only lawful thing he's done. November, Pepple, sua sponte, reopens the case, claiming authority over federal court. Law enforcement starts circling my property. Again, day and night. St. Mary's Police, Auglaize County deputies. No body cameras, but with civilian bodies staking out my house. 15 incidents. I've notified them of federal jurisdiction. No response except for more costumes. December 23rd through 24. Eviction notices taped to my windows. Deputies harass my disabled father. Threatened 8 a.m. raid Monday, December 29th. I haven't seen my daughter in 62 days. This is what happens when you assert your constitutional rights. This is what happens when you demand integrity. This isn't how courts or law enforcement behave. This is how RICO enterprises destroy whistleblowers. I crossed that line because someone has to. No one will protect my daughter but me. Judge Pepple doesn't want me to protect my daughter. Judge Pepple is committing federal crimes. 18 U.S.C. 242, deprivation of rights under color of law. 18 U.S.C. 1503, obstruction of federal proceedings. And 18 U.S.C. 1512, witness tampering, to name a few. He is using state court authority to retaliate against a federal plaintiff. That's not judicial discretion. That's organized crime with a gavel. Judge Pepple, you have 24 hours remaining to explain your supremacy over federal jurisdiction. Silence will be an admission of guilt. I am Zachary Toller, federal whistleblower, protective father, Republican candidate for governor of Ohio. God bless.